Hey everyone, and welcome to my second morning flow video. The idea of this practice is just to get you moving in the morning, so feel free to practice where you wake up or feel free to grab your mat and head somewhere else. But let's get our bodies moving together so we have a successful day. All right, so wherever you are, let's move forward to the front of our mats. Or again, if you're not on a mat, it's totally fine. And then take your arms down and around 3 times, making nice yummy circles, moving the shoulder blades around. From there, you're gonna take your arms, relax them down, and I'll turn towards you so you can see me. You're just gonna drop your head and you're gonna sway. Left and right. And just sway. Good, again, I'm not a big fan of full circles, so I prefer the sway. And then just let your head hang, take your arms up high, grasp the back of your neck, the thumbs go down the nape of your neck, and then take your elbows in. So from the side, your elbows are just pulling you in. And then inhale, you're gonna lean back into your palms, let your heart expand, lift your chest. Extend your arms up and look up. And then on your exhale, belly's nice and tight, fold forward for me, please. Halfway lift your spine, gaze forward. And then exhale, forward fold. Let's go ahead and inhale, reach our arms forward and up. Take that nice yummy back bend, open the heart. And then exhale with open arms, dive forward, swan dive. Inhale, lift and lengthen halfway. Exhale, giant step back with your left foot, lift your heart forward. Good, spin and face me, so turn both of your feet so you're in this wide-legged stance. Halfway lift your spine, nice long spine. Exhale, bend the back knee nice and deeply. Good, bend the front knee nice and deep, work into the hips. Bend the back knee one more time for me. And now bend your front knee and spin it forward. We'll put our left hand down. We'll peel our right arm open, squeeze your inner thighs, lean back, 3, 2, and then exhale, bring the right hand down. We're gonna exhale, straighten our legs, look back at the left toes and work into your hamstring muscles as you drop your head down. Inhale, deepen the breath, and then exhale the breath out. We're gonna bend our front knee, take a giant step forward, lift and lengthen. You can put your hands on your legs for this or on the earth, and then exhale, fold. Take your arms behind you, reach back, and then inhale, reach up, back bend for me. And then open your arms and again, dive forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen halfway. Exhale, fold. We're gonna take a giant step back with our right foot and then spin to the right, wide-legged stance. Exhale, deep bend to the back foot, deep bend to your front foot, deep bend back, and now as we move forward, spin forward. Ground your right hand, peel your left arm up as you squeeze your inner thighs. Exhale, lower your palm down. From there, look forward and straighten your legs, look back at your right toes. Full breath in, exhale the breath out. Bend your left knee, look forward, and again, step your feet to the top of your mat, and then exhale, fold. Reach your hands back again and up, so find that deep stretch in your arms, reach, 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 and then inhale, reverse the direction all the way up. Exhale, open arm, fold forward. Breath in, lengthen. Let's step into down dog on our breath out. So make your way back in a couple steps, and then once you land, find the length through your whole body and breathe. Pushing into your palms, pedaling out your feet if you need to, and then lengthening your underarms. Go ahead and cat back, come forward to plank. So I'm gonna keep my spine puffing, 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 and then I'm gonna lower my heart, look forward. Exhale, puff my back up, and draw it back. Do that again. Inhale, puff up the back to come forward. Keep puffing it up, puffing it up, puffing it up, and then exhale, heart forward. Good. Inhale, lift, 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 lift. Exhale, soften. Take your right leg way up into the air, reach it high, bend the knee, and then stack your hips. And then inhale, slowly bring the leg back up. Close the hip. Exhale, knee to chest. So wake up your belly. Inhale, extend your leg high. Exhale the foot down. Second side, inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, bend your knee and open up your hip. Inhale to straighten your leg. Exhale to close the hip. Bring your knee in nice and tight. Feel your core. Inhale, push it back up. And then exhale your feet together. Go ahead and slide forward to plank, and we'll lay down very slowly through chaturanga on our breath out, hitting your stomach. From this place, I want you to take your hands and then ground them underneath of your elbows. Inhale as you lift your chest, spread your heart, open it up. And then exhale, come down. Again, inhale, open up your chest, elevate your heart. And then exhale, come down. And then if your back feels open, you can inhale into straight arms, keeping your pelvis down as you come up, pressing through your feet for a full bhujangasana, which is your full cobra pose. And then exhale, lower down. We'll go ahead and take our forearms forward for Sphinx. So inhale, pick your heart up. And then exhale, bend your knees and wag your feet from side to side. Good, left and right. Go ahead and release your legs. Turn your fingers out to 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And then take this awkward pose I like to call seal. So you kind of have your feet out, your heart up. And then if you want to bend your knees, knees apart, toes together, lift your throat. Think about the toes grazing the back of your head. Exhale, slowly lower down. And then inhale, place your palms under your elbows. Take your feet, curl your toes, pick up your knees, and see if you can lift your belly and then come straight up to plank. 1, 2, 3, big push. And then exhale to your down dog. From there, we're gonna step very slowly all the way up to our hands until we're in a nice, yummy forward fold together. Bend your knees for me and then pull your chest to your legs. Go ahead and lift halfway up, gaze forward. Exhale, fold in. Take the back of your head and then pull your elbows in just like we did to start, and then pull your chin into your chest. Maybe sway this motion side to side and then feel the release in your neck. One more full breath in. And breath out. Release your hands down, lift halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Go ahead and reach your arms up and out, rise all the way to stand. Interlock the fingers, press them up, lean back as your heart opens. And then exhale, hands down. We're gonna pull our right knee into our tummy, so slowly bring it up. Grab your shin and then firm your left leg as you pick your knee up as high as you can. So we're starting to stimulate the right side of the body into the digestive system as we pull this thigh in nice and tight and lift it all the way up. Exhale, see if you can lean forward over the leg with a nice flat back. And then if you can, we're gonna take the bottom of the foot, push through this left leg a lot. So really dig down, and then maybe we can straighten our right leg. Exhale, stay here, fold further for 3, 2, you're gonna bend your knee, lift your chest again, and then take a nice twist to the right. Extend the right arm behind you. If you wanna take this pose further, maybe straighten your right leg. Keep lifting through your left butt and quad muscle by pushing through the whole foot. And then come forward, hug your knee to your chest, and release it down. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, pull your left knee into your chest, stand tall. Push down through your right foot and then really spread your toes. Inhale as you press this left thigh into the left side of your body. Exhale as we lean forward. Take the bottom of the foot on your inhale, stay here, or if you have room, exhale, press your left leg forward. Stay or fold forward more for 3. Keep that right leg straight, which is your standing leg. 2. Bring the knee back in, stand up tall. Exhale, twist to your left, so hold the outside of the thigh, and then rotate all the way around behind you. Keep straightening a lot through this standing right leg. 3, kick this leg out if you want. 2, come back to center, hug your knee high, and release your feet. Take them as wide as your mat, and then I want you to take your hands to your hips and just draw circles with your pelvis towards the front of your mat. Reverse it, opposite way. Good, and then now that the feet are apart, we'll raise our arms, we'll turn our toes out just a little bit. Bring the hands down and then sit into your deep yogi squat. Plug your triceps to inside to your legs, lift your heart. Find your inhales and your exhales as you get a little bit longer and a little bit more open. I'm gonna pivot towards you so you can see me a little bit better. And I'm gonna extend out through your right arm as I reach far. And then you're gonna raise your left arm up. Option to stay or bind your top arm and maybe your bottom arm as well. So my fingers are interlocking and I'm rolling my chest open. 3, 2, and then come back to center on 1. Take the elbows, press your knees apart, lift your chest. Second side, reach away, inhale, extend up and open. Half bind if you want, full bind as well. Good, keep rolling your heart for 3. Tighten up your belly, pull your knees apart for 2. And then inhale, come back to center, reach for the sky. And then we'll fold forward here on our breath out. Inhale to lengthen. Good, exhale to fold. I'm gonna make my way back to the top of my mat since I pivoted towards you. Bring your feet all the way together and then inhale, bend your knees. Let's wake up our legs in chair pose. Sit a little bit deeper here, reach your arms back, interlace the fingers, and then let's fold forward with straight legs as we dive over our legs, bringing our knuckles over our head. Inhale as you release your hands, you'll look forward. Exhale through our first vinyasa, step back to plank. Feel free to lower the knees, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. And then exhale through your down dog. We'll raise our right heel high to the sky, gently step forward. Pivot around to warrior 2 and land. Inhale, reverse your warrior, so find room in the front of the body. Exhale to side angle, forearm to thigh. Keep it simple, you just woke up. Inhale, back to reverse warrior, front leg straightens, please. Exhale, bend the knee. And then simply step back to chaturanga, lower. Inhale up. And then exhale, make your way back. Left heel rises, exhale, step into warrior 2. Inhale, land, hips are open. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale to side angle, reach over your head. Inhale, straight-legged reverse warrior. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. And then vinyasa or skip it, your choice, your morning. Exhale to down dog. Good, let's go ahead and drop the knees. We'll peel our right arm way up into the air, lean back. Exhale, thread it through. Lay your right ear down, extending through the fingertips, and then take this left hand way up into the sky, reach it forward. Stretching through the outside of the shoulder, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Slide your left hand down, line it up with your nose. Inhale, peel your right arm back up. And then exhale, switch sides. Inhale, raise your left arm way up. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale from here, raise your right arm way up. Exhale, reach overhead. Breath in, exhale, slide this right hand back, line it up with your nose, inhale, reach. Good, exhale, release. Turn your hands around, open up the fronts of your wrists, fronts of your elbows, look forward as you take your cow pose. Exhale, tuck the chin for cat, look back. One more round, inhale, sway the back. Exhale, pick up the back. And then slowly and carefully sit on your heels if you can. And then I want you to bring your knees together. And in this posture, I want you just to sit up nice and tall. And if this really hurts you, just sit on your bottom, okay? And then I want you to breathe into your belly. So I want you to hold your right hand to your heart, left hand to your belly. Pull your shoulders back and close your eyes. Feel your heartbeat underneath your palm. Feel your belly breathe underneath your bottom hand. And acknowledge yourself this morning. And if you're not practicing in the morning and you've chosen a different time of day to do this video, imagine yourself any time of day and allow yourself to be peaceful in this moment. Thank yourself for finding the effort to move. I'm going to end you seated versus on your back so that way you don't fall back asleep if you are practicing with me in the morning. And if you want to add your own Shavasana in at the end, I encourage you to do so. Otherwise, 3 breaths here. Let's inhale, breathe in. Belly draws in, a lot of air goes into the right hand. Exhale, let the belly get full as a lot of air goes into that hand and the hand deflates from the right. Inhale, bring the breath back into the right hand as you lift the heart and the breath comes out of the belly so the left hand softens. Exhale, the breath comes back into the left hand over the belly and the right hand softens. One more, you know the pattern. Bring the hands to heart center. Bow gently forward, thanking yourself for today, for every opportunity, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you guys so much for practicing. And if you have any questions about the sequencing, feel free to comment below.